Labatan. 8-7 is our score, ladies and gentlemen. Lamang po ang Lady Bulldogs ng isa. At may report daw. Daw. Si Anne Remulla.
Parang nagduda ka pa.
Sige, Anne.
Oh, may duda si Noela. But actually, I had the chance to listen into Coach Obet earlier, and clearly, because of the loss in the first 2 sets, he wasn't happy. So, ang paalala niya sa mga girls niya, kailangan gumalaw ng tama at pumosisyon ng tama sa loob ng court. He also told them that they're up against a very tall NU squad. So, what he expects is for them to execute smart attacks and to also find a way to penetrate the blockers. Now, kanina nabanggit nyo rin, Mozzie and Noel, si Kai Nepomuceno, and had a chance to ask Coach Ejet. Ang sabi niya, wala lang si Kai today, but she will be suiting up for the Lady Bulldogs in the next few games. She's just out of town. So to the fans of Kai Nepomuceno, be sure to be here in the next game of NU. Mozzie and Noel?
Yan naman pala.
Nasa nobeleta lang. Malapit lang naman yon. Oh, yun na nga yung... Pero alam mo, going back, 10 years na tayo rito sa Shakey's V-League. Pati mga broadcasters as we went along, ang dami na rin na dumaan na broadcaster din dito. And,
yes.
All part of history.
Kasama lahat yan.
Yes. But of course, mamimiss natin, of course, si Maan Panganiban.
Oh, yes.
Who used to work with us here. Of course, Maan Panganiban passed away last year. Topex Robinson, naalala ko. Mga ganun, yung mga Mark Zambrano. Balikbaste, Mark Zambrano. Yan na. Kasama na rin natin talaga.
Oo, pwede. Pwede nga.
At eto si Myla Pablo scoring once again. NU's up by 1.
Well, kanina pinag-uusapan natin si Jen Reyes. So far, Jen Reyes, 9 digs na dito sa game na to with 32% ang success rate. Reception naman, grabe. 14 of her 21, so 66%.
Yan. Pero
ang success rate.
Kung may stat lang dito sa volleyball na slugging percentage, yung talaga lahat hinahabol, 100% mahigit itong si Jen Reyes doon.
Tama ka. Pero dito naman sa setting department, napakalaki talaga ng disparity doon ng young one na ito na si Ticar against si Ruby De Leon. Ticar now with 8 excellent sets. De Leon with 32 partner.
Wow.
So, talagang lumabas ang pagka-veterano nito si Ruby De Leon.
Shirley Salamagos is having a hard time with her service. And she's just given back another point dito sa NU because it's the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Myla Pablo now to put it in play. Here's Ticar. Going to Balse. Dug up there by Pablo. Santiago gives up the free ball. Combination now for Nene. And Nene gets it through. Andun na si Dindin at saka si Ruby. Nalusot pa rin ni Nene yun. Look at this.
Yan ang, again, once again, sanay na maglaro dito sa Shakey's V-League.
Nene Bautista, of course, from the USA.
Oo. USA.
Yan. Running attack
Nagaling din si Bong Jan. Imported
from the USA. Ito si Nerissa Bautista. Ito galing UST High School. Si Dindin Santiago. Actually suited up for UST also for 1 year sa college varsity. Speaking of course, USA University of San Agustin sa Iloilo. Diyan po galing. Ito si Nerissa Bautista. Simen Dadang. Ticar. Dana Henson. Nasalba pa yun, ha?
Oo.
Jen Reyes. And look at Jen Reyes covering her face after her reception went to the other side.
Hinahabol niya na kasi yun She got it while she was running. Ang hirap naman talaga i-control pag ganyan.
Alam mo, hirap palitan nito, ha? Of all of that, inakausap ko kanina si Coach Janelle Baculi. Si Kai Nepomuceno, you have a lot of people already who are training to take her place. But how do you replace somebody as great as Jen Reyes sa lineup mo?
Napakahirap na.
Double touch, Ruby De Leon. So ngayon, 13-12. Arellano slowly waking up. And guess who's serving once again for the Lady Chiefs? If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. There she is again.
Ticar once again. Her favorite spot.
That's actually her strongest suit. Dito, Reyes.
Ang ganda naman kasi ng pagkakaset na yan.
Dindin getting it across. Everybody. Yan yung magkaka-whiplash ka kakapanood ng bola eh. Tied at 13. Competitive third set here as Arellano tries to stick with the Lady Bulldogs. Here's Ticar. Oh, and that is just a smart move there coming from King Balse.
Well-placed ball from King Balse.
Ganda rin ang set ni Tikar.
Oh, tsaka alam na alam ni King once again, hindi na nilalabanan ng block.
Right. Balse now on the serve. De Leon. Great rejection there. Played by Reyes. Dadang turned back again. Salamagos becoming a factor at the net. Tikar. Back set now. And that block goes out. So Sagon scores against her former team. 15-13 Arellano.
Well, alam mo, partner, so far, itong magkapatid na Santiago, sa blocking department, 4 na kay Jaja, 2 ang kay Dindin.
But you'd expect more from them this late in the game, actually. Here's De Leon. Ordaz. Tikar. Back set to Sagon. Uh-oh. Salamagos and Tikar contesting the ball that time. So 15-14. Seaman Dadang. Bautista. Tikar. Sagon. Off the hands of Myla Pablo. And the former Lady Bulldog gives the Lady Chiefs a 2-point lead heading into our second technical timeout.